Thank you. Welcome to the random number selection event for Cannabis Consumption Lounge licensure for social equity applications. I'm James Hum, Executive Director of the Nevada Cannabis Compliance Board. Here with me today from the CCB, I have Steve Gilbert, our Chief of Administration, Sarah Tajali, our Education Information Officer, and Morgan Canfield, our IT Manager. From the CPA firm of Baker Tilly LLP, we have Brian Campbell and Kevin Bach. And Daryl Smith from the system manufacturer SmartPlay International is also joining us. We will be using a random number selection software system to select application numbers. Just to give everyone a little background information about this draw, on November 30th, 2022, 10 out of 30 submitted applications were randomly selected to proceed for consideration for the first 10 social equity cannabis consumption lounges. An internal audit found that 6 of these selected applicants were ineligible to proceed. During the same audit, of the remaining 20 unselected applicants, 8 applicants provided information indicating that they met the social equity requirements. Today, these 8 eligible applicants will be entered into this random selection process to determine who will proceed for consideration for the remaining 6 licenses. The application number selected will be posted on our website later today. With that introduction, I will now hand it over to Chief Gilbert.
In order to preserve the selection process integrity, the CCB will be using the services of certified public accountants Brian Campbell and Kevin Bach from the CPA firm of Baker Tilly LLP, and a digital random number selection computer supplied by SmartPlay International, Inc. For this drawing, we have provided the CPA a USB drive which contains today's files with the 8 eligible social equity cannabis consumption lounge Excella application numbers, which are ACON-A22-00090, AC0N-A22-00102, ACON-A22-00047, ACON-A22-00105, ACON-A22-00107, ACON-A22-00108, ACON-A22-00018, ACON-A22-00049. The CPA has confirmed that the list uploaded to the selection software matches the total number of entries on the list provided to the CPA. Prior to this live event, the CPA has run a mock drawing confirming the random number selection software is performing as expected. The random number selector will draw 6 digital drawing numbers from a pool of 8 eligible social equity applications for the 6 social equity applicants selected to proceed in the licensing round. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
I'll hand it over to Brian with the CPA.
The 8 eligible social equity cannabis consumption lounge Excella application numbers downloaded to the text file located on the USB drive that will be used for the draw are as follows. ACON-A22-00018, ACON-A22-00047, ACON-A22-00049, ACON-A22-00049, 00090, ACON-A22-00102, ACON-A22-00105, ACON-A22-00107, and ACON-A22-00108. Using the computer mouse, we will select the green button labeled Run Live Draw, and the application numbers for this drawing will be selected. The application numbers will be displayed on the screen in a PDF document created by the software, and we will show those numbers. The draw is done now. We will scroll through the selected numbers.
CPA will now download the generated selection report from the SmartPlay computer onto the same USB drive with today's application numbers. The CPA will now hand the USB drive to the data operator, who will print the report. The CPA will review that printed report and confirm that the numbers on the screen match that which was printed. The CPA will review the printed report and confirm that the numbers on the screen match that which was printed.
ACON-A22-00105, ACON-A22-00047, ACON-A22-00107, ACON-A22-00102, ACON-A22-00090, ACON-A22-00018.
Now Brian Campbell and Kevin Bach from the CPA firm of Baker Tilly will both sign and certify the report and place the certified report and the USB drive into the envelope. That concludes the social equity drawing. I will now turn it back over to Executive Director Hum.
Just wanted to say thank you to everyone involved in the process today and congratulations to those who were selected. Again, the selected application numbers will be posted to our website later today, and applicants will be notified via ACELA regarding their application status and next steps. Thank you for watching.